Dr. Kostopoulos, thank you so much for bringing Born to Shine to your district. And I'm just curious, if someone is watching and they're in a position like you as the executive director of curriculum and assessment, what would you say to them if she or he were on the fence about bringing Born to Shine to their school after you've seen the school assembly and the check-in? What are your thoughts? What would you say to them?
Sure. Thanks. And once again, great presentation that you did with our students on both days. And I'm also speaking not just as a curriculum director, but as a principal. I was a building principal for over 10 years of an elementary school, K through 5. And this was just a wonderful presentation. We often try to have assemblies on social emotional learning or bullying or motivation, and those are usually separate. But this kind of took all three of those and put it together. And it wasn't just an assembly for our students, but it was also an opportunity for our teachers to see how having circle time or morning meetings or just SEL meetings with your class can be beneficial to give students their voice, whether you want to reinforce some concepts such as breathing techniques like you talked about in your assemblies, or overcoming your fears. I really also appreciated, as a curriculum director or principal, as an educator, how you related what you did to test anxiety, because that's a big thing that affects all of our schools, and to really give that a platform, I think, was impactful for our students. So there was a lot of things that were great, and finally, really the most impactful thing, I think, was the follow-up meetings that we just had with our students. It gave our students a chance to voice how they used those skills that you taught in your assembly. So, very often, in fact, always, our assemblies are one and done. So to have an assembly that has a follow-up assembly as a reflective component for students really helped, I think, increase the impact, not just for our students, but was a great model for our staff on how to run morning meetings. So, and on top of all of that, just the singing, the artistic value that you bring to the presentation was really engaging for all of our students, and they really enjoyed it. I heard a lot of great feedback from students and staff all week about this.
Wow, Dr. Kostopoulos, thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. I look forward to doing more, and also hearing about the additional assemblies and how we could kind of stagger them, as we kind of build through the years to really hit all levels with our kids. So once again, just really happy with the presentation and looking forward to the next one already.